Hello sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harita from Classy Cookery. Today we are learning how to make very beautiful wall wreath in family budget. So let's get started. First I am opening party plates. It's like a set of 24 plates, 17.3 centimeters in size. So I got this set from Dollar Tree. So here we are watching Christmas ball ornaments. I got it long time back. The Christmas ball ornaments looks very beautiful in gold color and glitter. Look at here. And we need hot glue gun, and I got these gold flowers from Dollar Tree long time back. So it is available in a round shape of roses ball. You can buy that ball for $2 I say. Open the rose very widely, and inside the center we are going to place the ornament. So just take it off the pin, and we are going to use hot glue now. Just place the hot glue all over the ornament, and you have to glue it inside the center of the rose. So that way it looks like a bud inside, rose bud. So in the place of rose bud, I am trying to place this beautiful gold ornament. Now adjust the petals and make it in the center, and just make sure everything is good. So now our beautiful rose flower is ready with gold bud. So repeat the same steps until you complete the flowers. So in total I used like almost 8 flowers. Here I got foam sheet with gold color glitters. Simply remove the tags and all. So now flip it the other side. So the back side we are going to trace out with party plates, and we are going to cut with scissors. So right now I am trying to make the base for the center part of our wreath. So the sizes is depends upon the wreath, how much size the wreath you are going to make it. So you don't need to follow the same size whatever I am using it here. I am just giving a base idea here, okay? And right now I am going to stick this foam sheet to the party plate using hot glue gun. So now the base is ready, keep it aside. I got here recycled cardboard. So now place that 16 inches round tray on top of the cardboard, and using with marker trace it out. So now we have to trim this round shape using scissors. And now I am using some satin ribbon for hanging out the wreath. So the cardboard here we are using for the base purpose, and when you hang out to the wall it gives more support as well. So you don't need to use the ribbon for hanging out. You can use any kind of hooks whatever you like it. Whenever we are using hot glue, you have to be very careful and cautious, or else your fingers will burn like anything. So now we are placing the cardboard on top of the ribbon to give more strength to the wreath. So by using hot glue you can just stick it out. So I don't like to see backside my cardboard, that's why I am covering with some color paper. This step is not mandatory. If you don't like it, you can skip this step. So now I have completed back side of the wreath. Now I am going to move to the front side. So now I am going to move to the front side. So here I took some silver foam sheet with the glitters, silver glitters. So I am going to trace with a plate and trim with scissors. So and right now we are going to place it on the center of the gold sheet which we already prepared, and stick with a glue. So here I am using one more gold sheet on top of the silver. So the sizes, as I already mentioned earlier, it depends upon the wreath, whatever you are going to use it. So here I choose 3 different kind of sizes and I trim the circles and I stick it on top of the each other. So now our base part is ready and we have to decorate this right now, and I'm using some gold chain. The gold chains are again from Dollar Tree. I got it. Lot of gold chains and gold and silver and different colors of chains available at Dollar Tree. So just stick around the small circle our gold beads. So stick the gold beads around the small circle first round, and again I'm going to stick the second round as well. So today I choose gold color theme. That's the reason I am using different kind of gold color variations. That is the reason I am using all gold color and some silver. So second round is completed. Just trim out the excess gold beads with scissors. Now look at this. It looks beautiful, isn't it? And next I am going to use some mini roses. These mini beautiful roses are from Amazon through online. So I am using Rust-oleum Metallic gold spray paint to give gold color to my mini roses. So my beautiful gold roses are ready. You can see here I just coated with little glitters to look more beautiful. Now arrange the flowers around the silver foam the way how I am doing here. Just arrange it, and next we have to glue with hot glue. You can use any glue as I already mentioned, okay? So now roses are looking very pretty for me, and we'll move to the next step. I got peacock feathers from Amazon. Amazon online you can buy the peacock feathers. And I'm going to trim this peacock feather small size using scissors. So now I trimmed peacock feather and I'm going to place it inside the center, and I'm going to stick with hot glue. So now I have completed center part of the wreath and we'll move to the next step. So now we'll take our big 16 inches round tray and we'll place this mini center part inside the center of the 16 inches round tray. So just glue it inside the center. Make sure you just place it exactly inside center part. Look at this, how beautiful. I just love that gold color combinations. That's why I just imagine and I just placing on my own. So if you have any other ideas or any other imaginations, you can create on your own. So now I am placing the all the flowers around the base. So just place it all the flowers whatever we created initially, just place it, and now I am going to glue it with hot glue all the flowers. So take each flower and put lot of glue under the flower and stick to the tray. So repeat the same steps to the flowers. And now I got gold color feathers again from Amazon online. I bought it. So the gold color feathers, and I also bought it some colored feathers as well. Not so expensive, you can buy it. So once you open, you have to split out all the feather. See, like this. So I took 4 feathers and I stick 4 feathers around the wreath. You see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 feathers. I stick it with hot glue. Now I am placing leaves, green leaves. It comes along with gold flowers. I just cut it out and I am arranging all around the wreath and I am sticking it with hot glue. So here I got some mini roses from Daiso. It's worth $2 I guess. Very beautiful. So trim out all the colored roses like the color is very beautiful. It goes like contrast color to the roses, gold color roses. That's why I choose this green color. Actually I look for green color leaves green color, but I didn't find it. That's why I choose this color. I guess this color goes okay, so that's why I'm using. So now I'm using more leaves to cover all the gaps. So here I took again peacock feathers and I'm just trimming it out. Trim out all the 4 feathers and just glue it around the wreath using hot glue gun. So now we can see 4 peacock feathers all around the corners like this. So trim out the berries from the bunch and here we got 4 pieces. So place it around the wreath like this. Then stick with hot glue very nicely. See how I am doing here, it just place it wherever it looks beautiful. So now we are done. Look at my beautiful wreath. If you like my wreath, please give thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching my video. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.